Is the sun our enemy or is the sun our doctor? It's our doctor. Yes, the sun actually is an antiseptic for our skin. It actually cleans our skin, it purifies it. The sun does not cause cancer. A poor lifestyle with bad eating habits, no exercise, doing illicit things like that are what bring on cancers because there's too much acid in the body, which then becomes a breeding ground for pathogens and cancers, viruses, bacteria. So the sun is our friend, but you have to use common sense. So for me, I mean, I'm a tennis pro, and I've been in the sun for 50 years, and I don't use sunscreen. You might be thinking, this guy's crazy. No, I'm not, because my son is accustomed to it. Now, especially the rest of my body. I mean, my arms and my legs, my head can tend to get reddish, but I always wear a hat, a big wide brim sometimes, or at least a baseball cap when I'm teaching tennis. And I don't stay out there like I used to because I'm 76 almost. And, you know, back in the day, I was on the court for 7 hours or longer. And I don't have skin cancer. So the sun is something that helps our bodies create vitamin D, which also fights cancer and can reverse cancer. So don't think of the sun as an enemy. You need sun. You need to get sun into the eyes also. You need light coming in. Sunglasses are not a good idea either. I don't wear sunglasses. And I've been teaching tennis, as I said, close to 50 years. So believe me, it works. Get the sun. It's good for us. So today, I've got a little, I've got my drink here, my watermelon blended. I love it. I love it. That's the other thing I wanted to talk about today, the sugar diet. I've basically been on a sugar diet for 16 years. And now it's a big thing. You know, people are eating white rice for dinner and things like that, and a lot of fruit. So I totally am on board with the sugar diet. It works. Why does it work? Because it's a low-fat diet. Fat, as I've mentioned on this channel many times, is probably the number one cause of all the big diseases that we see. Heart disease, cancer, diabetes. The big three. Too much saturated fats. Fats clog, congest the system. The system has to flow. There has to be good elimination, digestion and elimination. So the sugar diet is, the more fruit you eat, the better off you're going to be. You know, so that's why this channel is called Fruit and Sport. 90% of my diet is fruit. And I do eat starches now on occasion. I will have some sweet potatoes with my salads, some sweet potatoes, and also maybe some quinoa. I tend to like quinoa better than rice. It's higher in protein. As we get older, we may need a little more protein, and I'm trying to build up a little more muscle. So I tend to go for the quinoa. But that's basically it. It's quinoa and sweet potatoes and a big salad with all kinds of lettuces, cucumbers, tomatoes, peppers, onions. So I'm on board. I can understand why people are getting tremendous benefits from this sugar diet. And the number one reason, it's low fat. That's it. That's it. You look at the guys on the sugar diet. The guys on the sugar diet are totally lean and I mean ripped. So that way of eating is going to get you ripped. Now, if you don't have much muscle and you have not been training for years, when you go on a low-fat diet, you can get extremely skinny. And people will look at you and go, man, you don't look good. You're too skinny. But the only way to build up muscle is resistance training. So, you have to be willing to look skinny for a while if you already don't have some muscle. But yeah, sugar diet works, there's no question. But anyway, I'm going to drink some of this. And then, because it's a nice sunny day here today, I'm going to sing a song about the sunshine. And I hope you enjoy it. It's called Straight to Your Heart Like a Cannonball. So let me have a swig of this and I'll get into the song. Well, sometimes it gets so hard. And everything don't seem to rhyme. I take a walk out in my backyard and I go doo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo-doo-doo, waiting for the sun to shine. Well, sometimes it gets so painful. All right. Just like talking to yourself. When everything don't seem to have no rhyme or reason, we all go doo-doo-doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo-doo, waiting for the sun to shine. We move along, keep singing our song, straight to your heart like a cannonball. La 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 ti da, la 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 ti da, la 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 da. Waiting for the sun to shine. Well, there you have it. Waiting for the sun. I was waiting for it yesterday, and we got some today. And I'm happy about it. So don't be afraid of the sun. The sun is your friend. It's an antiseptic for your skin. It creates vitamin D. It actually fights cancer. Remember, cancer is not caused by the sun. Cancer is caused by poor lifestyle, creating too much acid in the body. And that's why fruit is such a good food, because it's alkaline. It alkalizes the body. When you have an acidic body, you need to alkalize it. All the best, guys. Please give me a like or a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel if you'd love to come to Naples. It's a beautiful place here, and I can help you with your lifestyle and with your fitness. All the best. Take care.